Welcome back to the channel. My name's Rusty Bartender, and today this Irish fella is making a Brazilian drink known as the Caipirinha. The Caipirinha is the most famous from a category of Brazilian drinks known as batidas. I apologize to every Brazilian for the pronunciation of that. A traditional batida consists of cachaça, sugar, fruits and juices and ice. It's usually shaken in a cocktail shaker or mixed in a blender. While this 3-ingredient drink may appear simple, the preparation is important if you want to keep it authentic. And because us Irish folks love keeping traditions, that's what I'm going to do today. So what we're going to do first is we're going to cut the ends off a fresh lime, and we're going to cut it in half, and then we're going to cut it in half again. So you're left with quarters. Then you're going to grab a rocks glass or a short glass. And to the glass, you're going to add some superfine sugar. The recipe calls for 2 teaspoons, and we're going to use just a heaped bar spoon, which will work out the same. And we're just going to give this a good muddle. The sugar here is going to help extract the oils from the lime peel. So you're not only just getting the juice of the limes, you're getting the oils coming from the skin as well, which is what makes this drink a little bit special. Once you're happy with your muddling, you're going to add 60 ml or 2 ounces of your Brazilian cachaça. We're going to add ice to this glass. Hand flavored ice today because I forgot my scoop. Just give this a quick stir. Here we go, folks. This is the Caipirinha. Now, believe it or not, in the first ever cocktail bar I ever worked in back in Belfast, these were one of the most popular drinks on the menu at the time. We used to make ours with crushed ice. In saying that, if you were in a hot country, crushed ice would dilute it so much it would be kind of watery, but because we're in Belfast at the time, and Belfast is a very cold place, that ice never melted as much as it probably should have. But we're just using regular ice today. I digress. Anyway, give us a little sip. There's something so delicious about a Caipirinha. I mean, you get 2 full ounces of strong alcohol in this. And in essence, you're only adding sugar and lime, but it tastes amazing. It's so fresh, it's so vibrant. One of these can transport you anywhere in the world. I can imagine myself sitting on a beach right now drinking this. Amazing. Give this one a go, folks. The Caipirinha. Cheers.